Try these shoulder movements with me. Take your hand completely up and down, up touching your ears, and take it behind. If you're experiencing any kind of restriction in movement or pain while doing these movements, there are high chances you're developing frozen shoulder. Now, the number one cause that leads to frozen shoulder is pre-diabetes or diabetes. Get it checked. If you have pre-diabetes or diabetes, get it corrected. We give customized nutrition plan with lifestyle modification. Along with that, you have to start with physiotherapy. In physiotherapy, we give pain modalities to reduce pain and inflammation. We give mobilization to increase the range of motion of your joint. What is range of motion? इसका मतलब है कि उस particular joint का complete movement. This is called range of motion. And with regular exercises, this should get recovered in just few weeks. Second reason is sedentary lifestyle. At least in urban areas, we hire domestic helpers to do household chores. तो अब हम हाथ ऊपर करके कपड़े सुखाते नहीं हैं, लाइट फैन क्लीन नहीं करते, झाड़ू पोछा तो बिल्कुल नहीं करते. So what happens that because this range of motion is not achieved in day-to-day life, your joint capsule starts getting thickened because of underuse. See, body will have problem because of overuse or underuse. So frozen shoulder is because of underuse. Third reason is हाथ का फ्रैक्चर हुआ था, स्लिंग में हाथ रखा था और फ्रैक्चर जब हील हुआ तो उसके बाद आपने कोई एक्सरसाइजेस प्रॉपरली की नहीं. बिकॉज ऑफ फ्रैक्चर आपका शोल्डर इमोबिलाइज रहा था. नाउ द शोल्डर जॉइंट स्टार्ट्स गेटिंग फ्रोजन. तो उसमें भी आपको फिजियोथेरेपी एक्सरसाइजेस करनी है. अनदर थिंग, इफ यू सफरिंग फ्रॉम रोटेटर कफ इंजुरी और टेंडिनाइटिस, उसमें अगर आपने जैसे इग्नोर किया कि चलो ठीक है थोड़ा सा पेन है, सह लेते हैं, दवाइयाँ खा लेते हैं, तो ये टेंडिनाइटिस और इंजुरी पूरी तरह से ठीक नहीं होती. एंड दिस गिव्स यू सेकेंडरी इश्यूज लाइक फ्रोजन शोल्डर. So now this is most commonly seen between the age 40 to 60, more common in women compared to men. But now the trends are changing a little. I'm seeing patients as young as under 30 and women and men I see equally affected. So what is the prevention? What you can do to avoid frozen shoulder? What you have to do is start regular exercises. अभी अगर आपका हाथ पूरा ऊपर नीचे हो रहा है, इसका मतलब आपको frozen shoulder नहीं है. तो at least you maintain that with regular exercises. If you're having pain while doing the movement या आगे पीछे कर रहे हैं तब restrictive movement है, so it is better to seek immediate physiotherapy help and get it sorted at the earliest. आप जितना वेट करोगे उतना कंधा जम जाता है और फिर रिकवरी के लिए भी लंबा समय लगता है. So I hope this is clear and it will help you make the correct decision.